Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ubalong ukurtong monlang jongka kenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance haga khat artarik ulber arajar arpo ulalek ban tep kerteng yala di hakmat returning officer harangkat gajing senran lang jong usumbut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong bat kiwei de ki MLA jong ki sengsan pertai ki bayadon lang hapo ka kenhon MDA. Hagajing keren bat gelat pathai kubor, Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ulapun pau ba udon gajing kermen, ban yora ya gajing job, namar ba unyo ya gajing kersian jong ki saufu ingut ki MLA ki badon hapo ka kenhon jong ka MDA.
See, as far as MDA government is concerned, I think you already know, even the numbers, we already prove it. So, it is very sure that we are winning this coming election, which is fixed on the 26th of this month. And number two, I would like to request our colleague, Congress MLAs, to also join hands with us. On behalf of the MDA partners, we are intact. What we wanted to send a message to the opposition, Congress, is that kindly join us. Please don't file even a nomination. Please support contestants. Please support Dr. Kharlukhi. A station like Dr. Kharlukhi, I think you know well. So I would request once again from the MDA side that even Congress MLAs can join us to make sure that Dr. Kharlukhi is winning uncontested. CAA, in fact, this was the initiative of the MDA under the leadership of Conrad Sangma. I think you all know. And Conrad Sangma, that time he became a champion of the entire northeastern states, because right from day one we were against the CA. We were against the CAB that time. Okay, until today we said we are still against it. Okay, some people, Congress, what they said was no. Agatha, she supported the bill. But I'm telling you again, please go back to the speech, the entire speech made by our honorable Lok Sabha MP from Tura, how she made it, how she presented inside the house. I think you knew it well, that the intention of the NPP and the intention of the MDA as a whole is totally against implementation of CAA in the state of Meghalaya. They are all politicians, so they have to play politics. Okay. So this is not wonder at all. They have to play politics. They, even they reach up to that stage where they offered from the MDA partners, whoever you put in, we will support. So that is the game. Political game is always there. So I appreciate the game. But one thing I would like to tell you, MDA leaders are measured enough in political game. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.